Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will dive into the concept of referential join in HANA, an essential topic for optimizing your data models and ensuring efficient data retrieval. Let's get started. So, what is referential join? So basically referential join used in HANA calculation view. So it defines the relationship between the two tables. So while defining any relationship between these two tables, we have to ensure that the referential integrity between both tables are ensured. What is meant by referential integrity? So means for every record in fact table or child table, there should be a record in a parent table or master data tables. This is called as a referential integrity. If referential integrity is not ensured, then we cannot use the referential join. So what is the advantage of referential join? So referential join optimizes query performance by making use of guaranteed integrity and executing the join condition only when necessary. So if if we are only retrieving data from the child table means a fact table, retrieving data from the fact table means like in our query we are only having columns from the fact table. In a such a scenario, system will ignore the join condition and it will only scan the uh, a fact table. It will not going to scan the master data table. In our normal join, what happens when we are performing join, whether we are in our whether in our SQL query columns are from the left table or right table, irrespective of that, system scans both table, left table as well as right table. But in referential integrity, referential join system behaves in a different. So it only scan both table when join is required. So let's talk about some key features of the referential join. Referential integrity implies that there are no orphan records in the child tables. So while creating referential join, we need to ensure that there should not be any orphan records in the child table, means the fact data table. Now next one is optimization. So here I already talk about that point. So if fields from the parent tables mean the master data table are not required in a query output or for further processing. The join condition is ignored and system improves the execution speed. How query behaves when it's executing while we are performing referential join. The join only evaluated when columns from the both parent means master data table and child means fact data tables are explicitly selected in the query. And next slide we will talk about the benefits of the referential join. First benefit is a performance boost. If no columns are selected from the parent means master data table are used in a query, then system will skip the join and it saves the computation time, ultimately which improves the query performance. Another one is a simpler data modeling. Referential joins are helpful when we are working with the star schema model, as they simplifies the relationship between the fact and the dimension table. Dynamic execution. So referential join is also called as a joins on demand. So it only execute joins when it's required. Thank you for watching this video. Hit like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.